So we're getting some anxiety here. Down to our last couple of weeks before we start our journey back to Inner Peace. And this place also gives us a lot of inner peace, don't you think?
What about inner peace?
Don't you think this place also gives us some inner peace?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this might be our last sunset, just the two of us. Could be.
Yeah, we have my sister and my brother-in-law coming to visit. Hopefully we'll be spending lots of sunsets with them. But today we have the largest waves that we've had all year. And yeah, watch these waves come in here. They're just something. What do you think they were, honey? 8 feet? 9 feet? Yeah. 10 feet. All right, here they. This is just the between the sets here. Okay, now they're gonna start building again. Wait till you see these waves. These waves remind me of the week long of huge waves we had when Kristen was born. They were giant. And they were so loud, crashed so hard. You could hear them back at our little condo, which is, what are we about? How far are we from the condo?
8 miles?
Yeah, or meters or whatever. About a half a mile?
Yeah, less than a mile.
All right, look at this one. Here comes one. Wampa. We were sitting right here on the little point, but we realized we better move. Well, this one's pretty mellow. Wampa. Okay. See how big this set goes. There's a little boat out there. Was it last year that boat went over? Or was it the year before?
Last year, the year before, but it was right around there.
Well, like I was sitting right around that same spot. Got picked up by a big wave like this. And they were picking pieces of the boat up for, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah,
I think there's still pieces of that boat out there. I bet it's all covered by sand now. But all right, I can see another swell coming in here. Where, yeah. All right, we're gonna get a couple of really big waves here. Okay, this one's a little bit bigger than the last few. Whoa. These shore breakers sure don't want to be swimming out there. Oh yeah, here come good one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, crunchy. Oh yeah. So we were planning on going to Palmar today, but then when I looked at our trusty little predict wind app, it said we were going to have 1.9 meter swell out there, so I figured we'd be having some waves in here today, which means at Palmar and La Ropa and in the bay and everywhere else. Yeah. Pretty cool stuff. Here goes our sun. I think we might get it between the rocks. Maybe.
Might have to move the rock.
We might have to walk. We'll have to walk a little bit, get our sunset on the water. Quiet. Jeez. Even the backwash is big. Ooh, I love how it shimmers on those waves over there. Oh, honey, it's coming up. I can never get that little sparkly on the waves in the camera. It never comes out. All right. Just another day at Playa, Palmar. Oh, there goes a... This is almost as good as Endo.
Tell them to move their stuff up a little bit. Just put all that shit down
Nah.
there.
We'll just move it if the waves come up.
Oh, you still got video there?
I'm still on video.
Wow.
Okay, I think maybe this will be the last big wave here. And then we'll say bye-bye. Okay, yeah. So we're going to sit here and watch this for a while longer. Aloha.